My name is Josie, so I'm your leader, so I help you. First, I have a white brush, so it's so soft and it's perfect for me. It's really perfect, but it's messed up. It's okay. I can use it for more I still. And now when you get started, let's get started. But after but not yet. This is a brown brush, so it has one side of it, one by one, so it's more soft than the white one, so it's much more perfect. So now let's get started. After we get started, we have to use this. This is my perfect. I love it. It's a hard one. It has a perfect. Once you look inside, okay, let's do. Then this is a rainbow one, and some the inside. There's more makeup in it, and it looks like perfect. Just kidding. And after we start, we have to go in here. We use this brush, and then it's perfect for me. So after that, next is this. After that, how to use these and rub it, and use these and rub it. No, and after that, we use this one. This cover, so then the other side. After that, we are going to use this. Then we are going to do it with our cheeks and the whole face, and right here. Not on our chin, not whole face. It's okay. Not on our neck. Oh, so we have to take care of ourselves, and our heart has to be happy. And one make heart. Now let's practice to make heart. You go down, then up, then all the way down, and go right here, then right here. Not a broken heart, it's okay. Then, so now we have to be in love. God wants us to be in love, so we be in love. So then we do makeup on the purple and then on cheeks. And after that, we do that. And these. And the next question. Next, four heads. And after that, we put our questions away. And be along. Okay, so that's all. So I'm not going to do it anymore.